We're in our camping destination. Look at that stream. Look at that place that I'm sleeping at. It is awesome. There's literally so much room. I'm at my grandpa's place, and we're camping. Look, we have 4-wheelers and all of that. We're gonna go fishing tomorrow. See ya! Actually, no. See ya! Subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Please like the video. Bye!